Alrighty, guess who got materials for building a better castle? I got 9 bags of better materials. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 169 of the castle, where we're going to be doing some civil engineering. First, I'm going to have to make some mortar. I'm going to mix 1 part 3 parts sand, I believe, is the recipe, or is it 6 parts sand? I don't know. I'm just going to use one of them. We're going to make some sticky sand. You don't have a knife to open things, you can always use an oyster shell. I'm just now realizing I should probably get a bucket to move the water. I'm going to just use this one good half of the bucket and go fill it up at that pond. And we're going to make some mortar. Now we must apply the mortar to the castle.
When along came some people, friendly hands I shake. Somebody spread a rumor.
Wow, that was all used up very quickly. Okay, I got a plan. There's water over here, there's sticky sand over there. I pour the sticky sand into the water and then I just flip it around in circles and then I have tons of it really fast.
Somebody spread some lies. A smear campaign so basic that it almost makes me smile. They came up with the reason, subtlety and treason, pushing down my wall.
Okay, I make this special grey sand and I move the grey sand in between the stones. Sounds like a pretty simple plan.
In the beginning of the season, I just smiled and nodded as they pushed my castle over. Patiently awaiting the stamina getting slower. They pushed down my walls, I just stood there and let them. Inside my heart is breaking, too sad to even get them. Smiled in my face, then they plotted behind my back. Said mean things about me after eating all my snacks. I just let it go, but now I'm feeling sad. Thought I made some friends, but they turned out to be bad. Hoping for some real friends, ones that are not fake. Friends that really help and are good for goodness sake. Someone who is honest and who says what is on their mind. Is happy when I'm winning and not trying to undermine. Family that doesn't want to drug me all the time. But until that day I will build my castle up alone. Threw away my trust and I gave the dog a bone. Crushed up all my matches and put them in a pile. Set fire to my phone and then I shot it for a while. They pushed over my pile of stones, they laughed at me and said, we'll call the cops upon him, poison him until he's dead. They tried to wipe my memories with the drugs inside a cage, but I entered all their minds and I made them play a game.
Alright, I got this mortar making down to a T, and I think I'm doing it a lot better now. The first lots were pretty bad, and I think dumping it as a powder was a really bad idea. Just a waste of cement, but come up here, I managed to build a tiny little thing here. I'm just going to keep on building upwards. That's the plan. I'm going to make the first pillar on the corner. You can barely see it, it's just sort of like just barely there. Oh, someone moved my chest. Okay, I'm just going to keep on putting mortar in there and then more stones. We're just going to build a pillar that goes vertical over there.
It's amazing how people can believe that they are right. To take away the freedom, make us crazy, make us fight. Psychotronic weaponry pointed at our destiny. But I'm about to flip the table, rip off their masks and make them flee. Knock me down and I get back up. Stack my walls till I made a hut. Knock me down and I get back up. Till at last my arc door shuts. Knock me down and I get back up. Pretend to care but I don't fight the fight. Heavy waters rising, fire from the skies, then stars falling down. When mushroom clouds rising, laughing at me now. Till I snip the wiring, hiding in your heat waters, little box of snacks. Watching you, watching me, fake CCTV loop before I attack. Hoping for some real friends, ones that are not fake. Friends that really help and are good for goodness sake. Someone who is honest and who says me that doesn't wanna drug me all the time. But until that day, I will build my castle up alone. Threw away my trust and I gave the dog a bone. Crushed up all my matches and put them in a pile. Set fire to my phone and then I shot it for a while.
Alrighty, we've got one little corner pillar just barely beginning to rear its head. It's very small though, and we've run out of cement, so I'm gonna have to get some more.
Every game I play on the computer just a trailer. I want the dirt on my shoes, not a save file later. Play the games in real life, I don't need a controller. I've been moving through the field like a king on a motor. Circle the equator, leave a mark where I step. Whole map in my pocket, every corner I rap. No money in the bank, yeah, I burned that script, cause I'm gonna own the banks. Watch the whole thing shift, they talk big online, but they fold in the room. I bring the long view, you just chasing the bloom. I don't wait for a slide, I make space with my name. When the door starts shaking, you already know the game. White horse, red horse, pale horse, black. Spin out the wine and oil for my enemies' toil. Wrap the whole world in aluminum foil. Back up,
Look at that,
make room.
the plane.
I came too far to play
Get a
small.
little closer.
Back up, make
No,
room.
it's too high.
I
I'm
don't
gonna see
ask
it probably
twice,
without
I just take call.
Zoom.
Every
Zoom
game
on
I
the
play
camera
on the
isn't
computer
great.
just a
Over
trailer.
there we've got some villains plotting.
Play the games
And
in
up there
real
we've got the
life and
plane.
circle the equator.
As I'm building the castle, I'm
Cause I'm
just
gonna
digging
own the
mud with
banks.
the
They
materials.
want it back, then I send in tank. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. Bentley, now you see that? Yeah, you don't. Bentley like a tornado, take a boat. Bentley, now you see me? Now you don't. Bentley, bringing Tonkin's name afloat. I've been drawing my route with a fist on the glass. No shortcut, love me, I just outrun the past. Cold little nods when I walk through the door. Then the whole room leans when I ask for more. I don't chase their approval, I erase their doubt. Put my foot on the threshold, let the whole thing out. From the first light beam to the last bell ring. I was built for the pressure, let the hard days sing. If they lock up the gates, I go over the top. If they count me out once, I come back with a lot. I don't need a crown, I need a whole damn board. I want ownership, not applause from the floor. Helicopter, helicopter, spin it all around. Take Ukraine with a juggalo crown. Helicopter, fighter jet, spin it all around. Iran and Jerusalem.
I accidentally faced the camera the wrong way, but while you were looking the other way, I made a bunch more mortar and dug out the moat a tiny bit more. And I've got to take it up to the top, right over there.
Got to get down. Hold that line. Watch me move. One step now, one world through. Hold that line. Hear me say, I don't come to borrow, I come to take. Every game I play on the computer just a trailer. Play the games in real life and it circles the equator. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tank.
That's the pie that I have to keep baking over and over in order for this castle to stick together properly. I think I may have wasted some by pouring it with the sand in here. My plan was that when it rained or the sea came in, it would like harden it, but now that I think about it, it'll probably just wash it away. But it might not, it might get stuck in between the rocks, we'll see. Oh. Right, we're getting it slightly taller. Now I just got to get that pie that I baked from all the way to the bottom to the top, where I'm going to try and link it into the center. Oh.
No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. Bentley, now you see me, now you don't. Bentley like a tornado, take your boat. Bentley, now you see me, now you don't. Bentley, bringing Tonkin's name afloat. Trailer, watch it flip. Real life fun, I ain't grip. No money in the bank, cause I'm gonna own the banks. They want it back, then I send in tanks. Bum. I'm writing scripture in the margins of my notebook. Tiny gospel in the coffee stains. Every sentence is a seed I'm gonna skyhook. Throw it past gravity, out past the pain. See the future in the bend of every comma. Constellations in a single word. Give me paper, I'll design a new Kabbalah. Let my alphabet redraw the world. Daily my name now, but I have many names. I live and die and treat my body like a game. Pantheon mind uploads for immortality. Seek life that way and find slavery, and eternally beg to get back mortality. In your spirit, like a casa in your blood. Ninth eye, so vivid, gene mods cause of flood. Illusions of opposing teams got us bleeding. Bungas can't save you from soul cohesion. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the
tide's completely in, but we're gonna keep going.
Time, get it all in my fist. Make a planet from the dust that the old gods missed. I'll become the universe, not a soul, not a guest. I'll become the universe, because I must. Because I must.
Alrighty, I know this isn't the best plan, but I'm just going to try and hide this bag of concrete underneath all these sticks.
I talk to silence like a student and a
tower
teacher.
I've made
Ask
now.
the void what it's so scared
Very
to show.
small little tower.
Every atom is a hidden
Like now
little creature. Every echo is a sermon in code. Build a temple out of questions with no answers. Stack my doubts into a golden throne. When I'm ready, I'll be pulling at the anchors. Drag the oceans to the edge of what I own. Our seals all open, time all change. Wind back time to before matter remained. Infinite dimensions with permutations. There is no such thing as an innovation. I will freeze time. Catch it all in my fist. Make a planet from the dust that the old gods missed. I'll become the universe. Not a soul, not a guest. I'll become the universe. Because I must.